Hi guys, haven't done a video in a while. Just going to show you. A bit cloudy around here today. It's we're nearly into autumn. Autumn is next week, so yeah, it's getting close. And if you remember, guys, the last video we had all in here. We had kang. It was full. It was right out to here. It was growing really well in this system, and we've harvested all of that now. So if you look over here, this is the last of the harvest we have here. These are in a couple of buckets here, and yeah, it's a great. People that don't know, it's a water spinach, and yeah, it's good eating. It's really good. So yeah, we've changed that, and now you can see in the system here, guys. This is a plant called bayam. Now this is an Indonesian plant, and yeah, so we're growing it all in here. As the weather changes, we're changing all our vegetables, you know, to different kinds, because some of the earlier ones are like a lot of hot weather. But yeah, guys, so here you go. So this is all bayam in this system now. It's all growing well. You can see up the top there, the biggest ones. So we keep all the biggest at the top. Yeah. So there you go, guys. Let's come back so you can see that. Along the wall here, guys, next to the dragon fruit in the ground. This is all hydroponic along here. So this is all in cocoa peat. This one here, this is the capsicum, which is growing bigger now. This is tomato now. We're getting to the end for the tomatoes. We did get a lot of them. And yeah, you can see that tomato there that's finished all its fruit. There's a small one here growing. This is just a little bit of kang in the front, which has come up by itself. The next one here, guys, this is a eggplant here. And you can see it's a mini eggplant. So you can see how tiny they are in my hand. And it just grows little mini white ones like that, so you can see them all in the back there. And yeah, they're quite good to eat. So, yeah, that's going pretty good. That's another little tomato there. This is more bayam in here, guys. We start them off in here before they go into the other system, into the NFT. So yeah, we'll start them in here from seed, and then they grow from there. And the next one along, this is all celery. This is Indonesian celery, so it's only a small variety. It's not like the big western ones, you know, that we eat. And we got some spring onion in the back. The next two, they're soil, so I won't talk about them. But yeah, up to here. And you come over here and you can see our banana. She's getting big. I'll cut a couple of the branches off, or the leaves off. And yeah, it's growing well. That's a ginger growing in the back, but this is another little banana shoot coming up there. So yeah, it's growing really well. It's really tall. This fence is quite tall. And over here, guys, this is also grown from seed. Both of these are from seed. This is in cocoa peat. This is a mango, and you can see it's grown really well. It's happy as. And out of one lot of seeds, we've got I think 4 plants now. So yeah. Going to see how they go in hydroponics. We're going to keep them short, and oh, the system's just kicked in, the water, you can hear it running. Yeah, we're going to keep them short, so they're not going to grow overly too big. So we'll be cutting the center out of them, and yeah, just keeping them small and fruiting. This one here, guys, this is from seed as well. This is an apple. That's grown from seed as well. We've got a couple of apples. We've got one sitting here, we've got another one in the Dutch bucket, which I'll show you shortly. Hey guys, in this system here, this is full of cocoa peat. This is a lettuce, a different kind I got from a friend. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But in here, this is all kang, and it's just waiting for it to seed. You can see it's just starting to come up. So we're trying to grow a bit more, but the weather's changing, so we're not sure how good it'll grow. Over here, we've got this is just some more spring onion growing there as well, and spring onion up the other end. Over here, guys, these are strawberries growing here. This one here, it died back and it's kicking on again. Just the weather keeps changing, so I think it's knocking them around a little bit. And this one here, so we're just waiting for them to come back up. And this in the center here, guys, this is just a straight sweet basil, this one, which is yeah, growing not too bad. This one, guys, this is a sweet potato, and I was just showing underneath here, it's growing in clay balls, like that. And when you water it, these hold water in them, so it's good for the plant, but you don't want it too wet because it doesn't like it too wet. So yeah, the clay balls works really well. You can see here, you can eat the leaves, guys, as well. But yeah, we just let it grow, and just keep trimming it back as it's growing. And all these standalone buckets, we use our leftover nutrients from our other systems. We just put it in here instead of throwing it out. So yeah, you get to use it twice. So yeah, there you go, guys. We'll show you the harvest when it's ready. Yeah, guys, this is in cocoa peat. This is one of our strawberries. This we give leftover nutrients. You can see here, we're getting some strawberries on it now. See the flowers coming up. Just trying to get the birds away is the main thing. But yeah, that's all in cocoa peat. And there's another one over the other side here. This one here, guys. Just getting lots and lots of strawberries, as you can see. Over here, there's lots inside. There's a red one around the back here. But yeah, that's all in cocoa peat, and that's quite happy there. This one here, guys, this is a table grape. I'll just show you, it's growing in cocoa peat as well. Just mixing some shells in there. And yeah, there it is there, table grape. So yeah, it's growing really well. We bought it very, very small, and it's just taken off now. Just waiting for some fruit to come on it. But yeah, you can see it's really taken off. We'll try anything. Hey guys, this is our floating raft system. The water's just been finished running. And over here, these are all bayam in here, all growing. And yeah, this is a kang, one of the last ones growing. This is wombok. They got a little bit burned, but we're just waiting for them to come back up. But they'll come up, they're doing okay. So yeah, everything's going well with this system. Kangkong's quite happy. These drink a lot of water, so yeah, very happy in a system like this. Okay guys, yeah, so now we've got some watermelons growing here. I'll just show you along here. So we've got a big one in here. There's a couple of varieties. We've got this one here. We've got this one here, he's grown bigger. Then we've got these three up here. This one here, we'll leave him for a while. Then we've got the bigger one here, and then we've got this one up the end here. So we're going to take the two big ones today, harvest them, yeah. So yeah, we'll just cut them and take them now. Just put the net on for the birds and that. Yeah, how big's that? Oh, some weight in that one, guys. And we'll take the next one as well. I'll leave the little one because he's got to grow more with the other ones as well. So this one we'll take now. Oh, wow, it's huge, guys. Yeah. There you go, guys, it's all in the Dutch buckets. All running on solar panels. Come back so you can see the system, guys. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, here's one of the watermelons we've harvested. So we're just going to cut it open now. Let's have a look. See if it is ready inside. It's got this big knife here. Cut through. Oh. It's nice and red, guys, yeah. Just cut it and then cut a piece off again, yeah. Just cut in here. It's only a mini one, guys, but we're quite happy with it. There you go. It's got a couple of little seeds in it.
You can try.
Oh wow, they're super sweet, super. Very delicious, guys. I recommend anyone in your Dutch buckets try watermelons. Yeah.